Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we have seen how routing loads a view in Laravel. In this video, we'll see how we can load the same view using an MVC approach. So to understand MVC, it stands for Model View Controller. So what is controller and model, that we'll see in their dedicated video. So for now, I will just create a dummy controller and will load a post route. Okay, so let me just write it. Get posts, and it should load up a view called post. Okay, so that also will do. So for that, first let me create a controller. Make controller, just give it a name. Let's say post controller and press enter. So this is how you create a controller in Laravel. So now let me just write that post controller class, and will define a method called index in that, and make sure you import the post controller. Okay, so it will be created in this directory http controllers and post controller. Now let's quickly create a method called index, and simply what we have to do is return a view, and we need to create a view. So let's create a view called posts.plate.php, and let me write a quick HTML structure. H1, all the posts will come here. So let's load that view. Okay, so let me just write that posts. And now if I go to Chrome and localhost and write posts, this will load our view. Previously we used to do that with this approach, but this is the recommended standard approaches when you have multiple views related to same model, you can say. So for example, we may have another route called post create, wherein we will be creating a new no new post. So let's say we have another method, then all we have to do is we need to create a new method in the same controller, because they both are related. Let me just copy that and create. This file structure will understand in the dedicated video. So for now, let's say post create, and let's create that file as well. Plate.php HTML, create new post here. Okay, now as you can see, if I go to posts, all the posts will come here, and similarly I can go to create, and this will show us a form to create a new post. So this is how MVC approach works. And what is controller, what are these methods, that will understand in the controller video. Okay, so I think that's it for this video, and in the next video we'll proceed further and we'll optimize our folder structure, and we'll see how to do some proceeding. So thank you guys for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries, doubts, you can always ask in the comments and I'll respond. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.